So here is the problem statement. The problem statement says that we have to prove this statement, that probability of A union B given C is greater than or equal to 1 minus probability of A union B union C divided by probability of C. We have to either prove or disprove the statement. So the first step that I do is this. I use the definition of conditional probability to break up the left hand side as this. So I write this as probability of A union B intersection C divided by probability of C. And then I write the right hand side as probability of C. I multiply this probability of C by 1. So this becomes probability of C minus probability of A union B union C divided by probability of C. So now the good thing about this is that we have one fraction on the right hand side and one fraction on the left hand side, and both denominators are common. So we can cancel the denominators, and this then becomes a nice inequality, which is that probability of A union B intersection C is greater than equal to probability of C minus probability of A union B union C. Now consider the right hand side. What is the set A union B union C? So the set A union B union C is at minimum C. The smallest this set can be is C, and that would be the case when A and B are both a subset of C. If there are any elements in A and B that are not in C, then the set A union B union C will essentially be larger than C itself. This means that the probability of A union B union C is at least as much as that of probability of C. So we see that the probability of A union B union C is always greater than or equal to probability of C. Hence, this right hand side is bounded above by 0. That is, if for example, if A and B are both a subset of C, then this will also equal probability of C, and this whole right hand side will become 0 because it will just be probability of C minus probability of C. And if A and B are not a subset of C, then this probability here will be greater than this probability here, so this whole term will become negative. So this means that the right hand side is bounded above by 0. As its maximum value is 0, we can replace the right hand side by writing 0, and we can rewrite this inequality as probability of C. We can rewrite this as probability of A union B intersection C is greater than equal to 0. And this obviously is true by the first axiom of probability, which states that the probability of any set should be greater than or equal to 0. So hence, we have proved that the statement given in the question, that probability of A union B given C is greater than equal to 1 minus probability of A union B union C divided by probability of C, is true.